Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to combine these two PDF files into one file. Okay, first we will open this first file. What we want to happen is we will insert the second file at the bottom of this last page. To do that, just click Edit and then head over here to Insert. Now we will insert the second file and then click Open. Here the page range which we want to insert, all, or you can select here, you can custom which page you want. In this case we will click all. So location, it's after, or you want it before, at the front, or at the bottom, click after. First page, or from which page, you can select here from what page you want to insert. So we want to insert at the last page, then click last page and then just click insert. Okay, so as you can see, the second file now is already inserted to the first file. See? Okay, that's it. So we should save it. Just click on File, then Save As, PDF Documents, and then rename it Combine File, then save. Okay, now we're done. Okay guys, if you want to use the Nitro Pro 8 which I am using, I will put the link below so that you can download and use it. Thank you.